So I'm hiking along with my trusty hiking partner, BB, partner in crime, and she's meandering and taking her own path. And this is such a good analogy for life. No two people will walk this path the exact same way. Hi. Each of us will choose a different footstep, a little segue, a pause, to jog instead. There she goes. Oh, let's run. Well, I can't run today because I forgot my shoes and there was no way I was not doing this. So it's just extra grounding and good for my feet, honestly, in many ways. I just have to be extremely present where I place my feet. And isn't that always a good thing? Little active meditation at the same time, but I was so impressed. I'm like, oh yeah, that makes complete sense. So just like life, none of us take the exact same path. No, there'll be similarities with others, but no two of us, not even two, have the same life experience path. You know, it's quite profound when you think about how many millions of us are allegedly here that can be possible. So I invite you today to remember that. Don't compare yourself to others. That only lowers your energy, thinking you're not good enough, right? You can be inspired by others for sure, but just be yourself, wholly, authentically, lovingly, of body, mind, and spirit.